YouTube, this is my 2011 Verde Eon. Got my Shadow Conspiracy old dirty grips, Eastern bar ends, my Odyssey Maneuver 2 brake lever, my Shadow brake cable, stock stem, really crappy, I need to get a new one. My Fly Luna bars, really good, I like them. Stock fork, stock hub, stock rim with alloy, really bad, don't like it at all. Getting new ones pretty soon. High tense steel frame, it dents really easily. I have 2 dents already, right there. See that? Camera, but no, that don't fall now. Then I have my stock sprocket with my stock cranks, Demolition PC pedals, Shadow Conspiracy seat, highlighter blue. Seat post is just a crappy seat in my old bike. Stock U-brake. Got my stock rim. It's a Primo Comet rim. It's a racing rim. I know that. So I found it in my attic, and I just decided to use it because my other one popped too many times and had too many holes. I didn't feel like patching it. Stock KMC chain. Stock sealed cassette hub. That's it.
What it is, everything I do it big. Yeah, screaming that's nuts. When I pulled off the lot, that's nuts. Reppin' my town, when you see me, you know everything. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. I put it down from the whip to my diamonds. I'm in black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Black stripe, yellow paint.